Welcome to this instructional video of how to use Google Classroom. So we will be beginning by showing you how to join Google Classroom as a student and how to join a class. Therefore, the two things that you will need for this obviously are a desktop and your Gmail account and an internet connection, which is your third. So what I will do is start off by opening up our browser. Again, I'm going to be using Google Chrome because Google Chrome is a little bit easier to use in this interface, but you can use any browser that you prefer. And there are going to be two ways I'm going to show you how to get to Google Classroom, one of which is specific to Chrome, but the other is something that you can do on any browser. So that would be like Firefox or Edge or even Internet Explorer. But in Google Chrome, the easiest way to do it is simply to open up your browser, which brings you to this page. And at the top here at these 9 dots, if you click there and scroll down, you will find Google Classroom right in this drop-down menu. Now the second way I'm going to show you is pretty much the same method, only difference is if you don't get brought to this page, for instance, if you're using a different browser. So I'm just going to click there and that'll bring me to the Google Classroom home. Now, the second way is to just open up your Gmail. So you will need Gmail to do this. Now you can either type in mail.google.com, which should take you to it, or again, in Google, your other option is to just click Gmail. So you are at the liberty of the internet speeds, but once it opens, you should be able to continue with the process. From here, again, it looks very, very similar. As you have your Gmail open, you click on the 9 dots at the top, which will bring you through to Gmail, Drive, and if you scroll down, you will get the Classroom. So once you've clicked there, it'll bring you to the Classroom homepage. Now it will ask you to sign in, so I'm using my default account here, which is specific for this purpose. And then you're signed into Google Classroom. Now, to be able to join a class, you will need to click here at this little plus icon at the top right of your screen. And there are two options, which is create a class, which is if you're a teacher and you're looking to teach a class, or the other one, which is join a class, which is what you're looking to do if you're looking to join a class as a student, which is the one we wish to do. So join class, and then it asks you for a class code. You will need to have the class code from your teachers to be able to join this. Now they will probably share it to you on WhatsApp or email, but if you're wondering what the class code is for, this is what it is for. So we will then click enter our class code. So again, you enter whichever class code you've been given, and that will join you to your class. Again, you're at a little bit of liberty of the internet speed, but as soon as it runs, you will be joined. And that is how you join a class in Google Classroom. And that has been this instructional video. Thank you very much.